Hello, everyone. A lot of people have been asking me about some of the things that have been going on in the economy in the last couple of weeks. So I thought I'd just quickly put this very, very short video together. You don't need to know this stuff. It's only for those people that are really keen to get the numbers current. So, the budget outcome. Remember that our previous Liberal government delivered their budget in May and they expected a deficit for this financial year of about $70 billion. Our new Labor government delivered their budget in October, which you don't need to know about. And the actual outcome came in at $33 billion deficit. Now, the reason for that is that we have spoken a lot about this, but a lot of the big mining companies in Australia made supernormal profits this year because of the high commodity prices. And when you make supernormal profits, you should, maybe they don't pay enough, but you will pay tax revenue to the government, which meant that the deficit came in a lot smaller than expected. Remember, there's also an underlying deficit. So when we take out any investing or sale of assets, the net effect of the sale of assets, we have actually an underlying deficit, which is a bit smaller. And the next one is Big Phil today. He's come out and done his thing today on the Melbourne Cup Day. He's raised the cash rate target again to 2.85, so another 0.25 or 25 basis points raise. And what that means is that if you're using the neutral rate of interest at 2.5, it's definitely a contractionary stance. Now, I've been asked this a fair bit, whether it's contractionary or less expansionary. I think the main thing that matters is how you define neutral. So because 2.85 is above neutral, we're going to call that a contractionary stance. If you used 3% as your neutral rate of interest or even 3.5%, then 2.85 is still below that, but we're moving towards it. So you'd say it's a less expansionary stance. Okay. So just make sure you get the neutral rate of interest into your writing. And finally, inflation has come in at 7.3% over the last year, which is obviously way, way, way above the RBA's 2 to 3% target range. All right. So if you wanted to get that stuff into your writing, you can. If you don't stress out about it, as always. And all the very best for your exam. Remember, do your very best. Give it your best. Don't worry too much about the study scores, which are really just ranks. Try and get the best result you can for yourself. Good luck.